back to part 2 of our breakfast nook. Yesterday I left you off where we took the piece upstairs to see if it fit. Indeed it did, but we did have to take some of the trim off to get it closer to the wall. Once that was done, we took everything back downstairs to start cutting into the plywood. To create these measurements, we actually measured the inside of the area. Just slid those pieces into place and screwed them in, still creating the holes for the outlet. We actually realized that you don't need this top piece right here on the top part where we're going to sit. Then we added the front piece, which is going to go on the outside of the boxes, and I just nail gunned those into place. Then came the sanding. Oh my gosh, the sanding. I swear I sanded my little hand off, but it's okay. Everyone's okay. Then came the cutting of the other pieces of plywood for the smaller 2 boxes. Screwed those into place and then added the fronts with the nail gun. Then Tarzan decided to join us, and look at him bringing these pieces up like it's nothing. Shimmy those babies into place. You get it, boo. Then proceeded to flex his muscles and screw these into the wall. We had already figured out where the studs were, just FYI. And give him a little shake just to make sure they're nice and sturdy. This piece right here we could not figure out. Look at Tarzan. He's all upset. He's like, what is going on? Why isn't I fitting? A little extra scratch of the head to figure out this front piece that we did not take into consideration was there. So we had to take that off with this little trimmer thing, and boom, look at that. Just like a glove. And a little kick for extra measure. And here's what it looks like whenever it's all screwed into the wall nice and sturdy. Then we had to go in with the top. Found some hinges from our local Ace because we love that place. Screwed those into place, put them where they were supposed to be, and voila, now we have some tops. Stay tuned for part 3 tomorrow. This is where I'm going to leave you.